Here at BRECOflex, we want you to know that we've got your back. This backing is NBR65. NBR65 is made of black nitrile rubber and has a hardness of approximately 65 short A and a coefficient of friction of 0.6. It is glued to our polyurethane timing belts with a strong industrial adhesive. Our steel, stainless steel, and Kevlar tension members provide the stiffness and accuracy needed for efficient and long-lasting conveying. NBR65 comes in standard thicknesses of 1.5 mm or 3 mm and can be ground to in-between thicknesses. It offers good resistance to oil, fuel, solvents, acid, and lye, has a medium stiffness, a sealed surface. It can be ground and milled to some extent and surface ground. It is the ideal backing to use in a wide variety of conveying applications with exposure to harsh chemicals and oils. BRECOflex offers over 3 dozen backings for a multitude of conveying applications. For additional information, check out our backing specification pages and catalog on our website at www.BRECOflex.com. If you need assistance choosing the best backing for your application, please contact us at info@BRECOflex.com or call 732-460-9500. Thanks for watching.